Hey guys, so finally Oracle has released Java latest version, that is JDK 16. So today we are going to see how to install JDK 16 on Windows machine. So first I will go to my browser and I will type download JDK 16. So here you can see this is the Oracle website. So just I will click this link. So this is the official website of Oracle. So you can see Windows 64-bit installer. So we have to download this. This is the Windows 64-bit installer for JDK 16, right? So we have to download this exe file. Click this. So just click this. So here you can see this is the download link from where we will download JDK 16. So before downloading this, I will let you know one thing. Whenever you will click this download link, Oracle will ask you to sign up. I have already created an account in Oracle, so it will not ask to sign up again. So just click this link. So here you can see download has been started. So you can see JDK 16 exe file has been downloaded. So I will go to my download folder. So my download has been completed. So now I will install this JDK 16 on my machine. So just click this. So here you can see, click this one. So here you can see this is the default path where JDK 16 will be installed. So just click next. It will take some time. So close this. So you can see installation has been done successful. So close this. Now we will go to C drive, program files. In program files, so you can see after installation Java folder has been created. So I will click this. So here is the JDK 16 installed. So just click this. Inside bin folder, so you can see inside the bin folder all the libraries are there, right? You can see Java, Java-C, compiler. So all the files are there in bin folder. So what we will have to do, we will have to copy this path and we have to set this path in our environment variable. So we'll click my computer, we'll go to the property, click the advanced system setting. So here you can see environment variable, click this one. Now you can see there is a system variable. So I will go to this variable. So I will go to path and just I will click edit. So you can see in system so you can see in path variable already many files has been added by system. So we need not to change this file. What we will do, we will just click new and just paste the path on JDK 16, right? Click OK, and close the tab. Now JDK installation has been done successfully. So now what I will do, I will go to command prompt to check whether Java has been installed successfully or not. So I will type Java version. So here you can see Java 16 has been successfully installed in our machine, and you can see the date 16th March 2020. So everything is fine now. So now we will just create a sample project. So I will go to my Eclipse IDE. So this is the workspace which I have created. So I will click launch. So this is my Eclipse IDE workspace. So I will create a new project. Go to Java project. Take project name. So I will take demo app. So you can see I have installed JDK 16. So I will select JDK 16. Right. Click on next. Create module info Java file. So I don't need this file. So just unselect. Click on finish. So you can see our project is ready with directory structure. So I will go to src folder and I will just create a new class. Main method. Finish. So this is our sample class. So I will print a message system.out.println JDK 16 installed. Run this program. Yes, this is the output. So it's working fine. So in my next video, we will see the JDK 16 new features.